Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a computer without Bluetooth. First, you will need a standard micro USB to USB-A cable. Plug the micro USB end into your PS4 controller and the USB-A end into an available port on your computer. Most modern operating systems will automatically detect the controller, allowing you to use it for many games right away. This method provides a stable and reliable connection, perfect for uninterrupted gaming sessions. While many games will work immediately, some titles and advanced features might require additional software. We recommend using DS4 Windows, a free, open-source program that allows your PS4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller. This significantly expands its compatibility across a wider range of PC games. Simply download the application, extract its contents, and run the setup to get started with enhanced control options. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open the application. It will guide you through installing any necessary drivers, which usually takes just a few moments. After driver installation, you can choose from pre-made profiles or create your own. This allows you to customize button layouts, adjust stick sensitivity, and even change the light bar color. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your gaming style and specific games. To ensure a smooth experience, always use a reliable, data transfer-capable USB cable. If your controller isn't recognized, try a different USB port or cable. Remember to keep DS4 Windows running while you play to maintain your custom settings and compatibility. If you experience any glitches, a quick restart of the DS4 Windows application or even your computer can often resolve minor issues, getting you back into the game quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.